Yup. You guys hear me or what? My shit was. Let me send it out. That your boy is live. Come watch your boy. How's everyone doing? Spam 41's the chat. You guys can hear me. All right, boom. Hope everyone's doing good. My bad. I don't know why. Let me go back. Watch your dreams and make them multiply. Yo, Dollars in the building. What's up, Dollarito? All right, we're caught up. We're almost there. Welcome back, guys. Sorry, it took me a second. I'm currently uploading the podcast I did today on my computer, which I think was making it kind of slow, and my OBS was crashing on me. But nonetheless, we made it. Luckily, there was no really major moves at open here during Frankfurt for us to capitalize on, so we can do an outlook. For those who are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I usually like to go over, where I like to go over TRADERTV first at Frankfurt Open. Yeah, I love it. You were racist. I don't know how you can say Dollarito. It doesn't sound right if you say it just super white. Dollarito. That just don't sound right. You gotta say Dollarito. I don't know. I guess I gotta not do that. Yeah. Cancel me, chat. Cancel me. Nah, but love you, brother. Thanks for being here. What's good, everyone? Can you guys spam some? I want to take you to understand the markets before you took your first trade, bro. I always talk about this. My first ever trade I took was my first day of like really getting into trading. I just learned what like, bro, so bad. But I loaded up a live account into a broker, deposited money, gone to JR30 sells, lost that shit. That's why I recommend everyone to go demo at first. I don't think you should do demo forever because you should feel it, but yeah. Love you, brother. I love you, bro. All right, guys. JR30. Speaking of freaking the thing that ruined my dreams off the bat with trading, let's see what they're doing tonight. So if we go out to the weekly, we've been so bullish, guys. Last week, we even still closed super bullish to end the week. Going down to the daily, you could see that we close near these highs. I think we need some sort of retracement. Obviously, maybe like make like a weekly bottom wick. But as of now, I still am thinking buys, guys. All we've done is like higher highs and higher lows. And let's go check. But let's go check if there's any news or anything coming out that could affect any type of German pair. Because as of now, I'm just seeing this. But let's see. Someone said, "Is gold a speed?" Let's see. Yeah, we'll look at gold. Chat, you said take your first. Yeah, don't. No, I would rather you guys not take your guys' first trade. Yeah. No. Wait. Let me real quick go live on. And mentorship. What was that sound? All right, we're in here, meeting room. Boom. You even turn the camera on. Chat, what do I look like right now? All right, share screen. Share entire screen. Boom. All right. Sorry, I had to do that real quick. Luca to go. How you doing? Cam, brother, how are you? How was your weekend? I'm doing good, bro. Thanks for asking. I'm on and you ended on buys. I'll look at that in a second. Nah, I understand it was a joke. I'll have to watch it back. Yeah. No, for sure, bro. You're the man, first emperor. All right, guys. JR30, as we get to lower time frames, you guys can clearly see we're still in a bullish market, higher highs and higher lows. As of last week, we did come and close near these highs. You drag a line over. Oh, it looks like we did liquidate the highs right there. Took them out. And then you could see that, as we came up to the resistance, we've kind of started to come down, but I would say that, like, we're probably going to come down and liquidate some sort of low before continuing higher or something.
That actually
You know what I'm
might be a
saying?
good value gap right there, Luca. And then there's an order block right underneath it. You see it?
There's easy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good job, bro. Guys, everyone hit that like button. There's 37 of you guys here. If we don't get at least 40 likes, y'all are fake. Y'all are fake. Yeah, guys, so just looking for a minor retracement on JR 30. If we can get a pullback, we can look for some sort of entry, but based upon how the last week closed, I'd like us to come down and make a bigger bottom wick. And you guys might always ask, like, oh, Luca, why don't you trade Mondays? Why don't you trade Fridays and stuff? And it really has to do with the wicks and how price action gets towards the highs and the lows of the week. But if you go back and look at all the previous like weekly candles, they all usually have, looks like this is the only one that didn't have a really big bottom wick. I would just be surprised if this is the only wick we get for the entire week. Like if we just continue bullish for the rest of the week, I would be surprised. You know what I'm saying? So that's some good movement to the lows if we measure. So basically I would like to see a buy entry here, or what could happen is if price comes and sweeps the lows and it tries to come back up but then leads to another break, we can then definitely get confirmation that we're aiming for the weekly lows, which then, the weekly, because you've been so bullish, could potentially end up maybe bearish. Could just do a doji. I don't really see any sign of it stopping as of now, but you got to be realistic because look at this last week. What happened? The weekly candle did close bullish, but we actually failed to close above the previous weekly candle. So to me, that shows that it is less strong. You can see that buyers are obviously in control, but I'd say that it was weaker because at the end of the week closed. We had buying pressure to push it above, but then end the week we had this whole retracement to not close above the previous weekly candle. So as of now, price is now opened up, gapped up kind of here. We kind of had this big top wick, and you guys got to think, have that like foresight to be like, you know what? Yes, we kind of opened up bullish or whatever, but this could just be a top wick to come and flip and maybe close somewhere in that. So it's always important to kind of pay attention to that for sure. That makes sense? Chat. Cam said, if you're not part of, yes, sir, guys. If you guys not for the Discord, stop sleeping. Want you guys to converse in there more and potentially, just share trade ideas and setups. What you're taking, that's what it's there for. You guys just heard the homie. Yeah, the homie here here on Discord, sending all of his stuff, going crazy on US 30 and German 30 and stuff. So, that's what the Discord's for. Be in there and converse. Well, yeah. Wait, so you're in right now? You're Oh yeah, so you're taking kind of the fair value gap and then tapping into here. I like it. Oh, okay, yeah, those I was yeah, I like that. Yeah, I see the FEG in here, and you can see her kind of retracing the retap. It's solid. Oh yeah, go dirty 30. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, sir. Rudy, what's good, baby? Hope you had a good weekend, bro. Hope you're well. Happy London session. Come up in the Discord if you want, or I don't know if you're just chilling, maybe on your phone. Probably easier just doing it too. I know, crazy. Yeah, I got fucking trashed on. It was just stupid, bro. This is why I always should know that I just shouldn't fucking gamble. I always think I'm good, and then never plays out. I got one right. I took 3 bets and I only won. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, yeah. What up, Noelani? What did you bet? I bet Chiefs money line. I bet touchdown anytime plus 250 for TK, and then I bet the over, which the over is the only thing that hit. Right? Oh, there's a good lesson I want to say also. There's a good lesson in my bets that I wanted to actually bring up, which is consistent risk management, guys. And why I'm bringing that up is that I took 3 bets, which let's equate it to, like, let's say I took 3 trades. I always tell you guys that you want to risk the same every trade because you don't know which one's going to be the winner, right? So like I bet heavier on the Chiefs plus the money line or whatever. And that's the losing bet. So like the other 2 I did the same, but the money line one I did a bigger bet. So even though I won one of them and they kind of canceled them both out, I still took a way bigger loss with that 3rd bet, which if I would have just kept the risk, the same, would have been better. Same thing with trading, kind of. Damn, well, at least you hit one. No longer, that's why we love you. Thank you. So supportive. Should have been on the Eagles. I know. It's funny too because I don't even like the Chiefs. I just thought that like people I was around and shit was like, oh, it's scripted, it's just easy, and I kind of believed it. Like look how everything's been playing out in the world nowadays. Everything just seems like, I don't know. Everything in America seems like a movie. You know what I'm saying? From real life to fucking, I don't even know. Even politics. Like Joe Biden shit was hilarious, and then even Trump shit's hilarious. Like both of them are just memes, bro. Like we had like a guy with dementia in our country, and now we have like an old like talk show TV host. Like it's crazy. I don't know what's going on. Like I'm trying to figure it out too, Chad. I don't know. Yeah, yeah, fact. Yeah. Chat. Can you guys let me know if if I've like skipped at all on the stream or whatever? My upload should be like a 1 minute left. Hell yeah. Yeah, guys, recorded a fire podcast today. I can't wait for you guys to see with my boy Danny Trades. Pretty dope. Danny just had 100K trading day this last week on NASDAQ. So we talked about that. talked about how he trades, some advice for you guys on how he was able to, become a millionaire by 18. Crazy. He's younger than me, bro. I hang out with him and I always forget. I don't know. He didn't look like way younger than me or whatever, but bro, he's 23. Younger than me. Crazy. Jen, what's good? Jen, what's good? What's good? What's good? What are you looking at? Look at France. Oh, damn, guys. Look at France 100. Hey, I'm gonna put this right here on the screen, everyone. Who here can point out what I see on France 100? Someone point it out. You can if you want. There's just one specific thing. There's one specific thing that happened. Yep. Yeah, that's a good analysis. Someone, yeah, there, Epic's Mally got it. All I kind of was asking, like, first thing I saw when I went over here, look at it, bullish structure, and then if we look closer, what happened before the bullish candle engulf? We swept Asia lows, and now we came up and our breaking structure above. So like you're saying, kind of wait for kind of just like a minor retracement potentially, to go long. I didn't see this. This is what I was, hoping was maybe going to happen on Jer, but you see here we're not, really there yet. So keep an eye on them. But I did want to go check, guys. What does our week kind of look like with the news? So we see here Monday. Oh shit! Wait, today? Oh, it's a bank holiday on JPY. No wonder. Maybe GJ's gonna be a little slow. That's today. Heading into tomorrow, looks like we have some GBP news at 4:15 a.m. So, it looks like JPY has a bank holiday and GBP has a red folder at 4:30. So yeah, like I said, GJ might just be cooked. Um, damn, 5:30 a.m. Looks like we have a lot of. Damn. All right, CPI, core CPI. Definitely why maybe we'll get some slow charts. It's only Monday, guys, but as you could see, heading into tomorrow, we even have a lot of news. Let's do 5:30 again. Very interesting. All throughout the week, even tomorrow, you see here we have PPI. Amazing. You know what that means? A lot of people get scared of it, but that just means movement. So we'll be able to look at it when news comes out and maybe gain the edge on where we believe price could potentially be heading to. You know what I'm saying? They said I want to trade still. Good shit, Jen. What do you say? I actually haven't, but I know they're good. Yeah. Yeah. That shit sucks. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Thunder Pro. What's up, Tim? Yep. What's up, Tim? Oh yeah, you have a good weekend. Nice, nice. Money's always good. We like that. Yeah. How is testifying? Yeah, that sucks. Oh yeah, hell yeah, get on my chat, man. Fuck out of here. Look at my friend. Good to see you. What's up, Pablo? Guys, if you guys look at France 100, you guys can see here we clearly have a demand that led to this break. Um, only thing I see is that we haven't, if we drop the demand, price did retrace and hit this demand, which is, kind of making me want to get in above these highs for this little push. But we didn't get a retracement to discount, which just, I don't know. Right. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if I did just fib up the impulse here. Oh, we hit it perfectly. It'd be something like this, guys. I think we just need to retrace a little bit deeper, but for the 15, I got 15 minutes about to flip and fly. 30 hourly. Yeah, guys, these longs are good. That's 100. No, UK 100. Yeah, FTSE. 15 minutes flipping. We're getting the trend line break. We already come and retest it in discount, and now we're breaking highs again. For the flip of the 15 minute, I think these longs are good. Yeah. You're like, I don't know. Yeah. 100%. Come on, UK 100. Come on. Is there UK 100 futures? I'm actually unfamiliar. Come on now, chat. Up slightly. Oh, damn, we just jumped. Oh. Keep an eye on DAX. Yeah, I'm watching DAX as well. What up, Salva? How you doing, bro? Come on now. What is be a fake out? Volume. Come on. We have slight blues, guys. Ugh, I got into a second one as well. Just 'cause I was misrisk. Slightly different. She's still good. And then we sit back, chat. I don't like that we just wicked above. Doesn't look like there's a ton of volume to push it, but I'm not just gonna close it right now. So book it. Gold, we can go look at gold as well. I just like this one. Oh, the new 15-minute just opened at 30. So we go to the 15-minute, guys. This previous 15-minute opened up, had a big bearish wick that came down, and as we came and flipped and broke previous highs is where we look to execute. Was at the break. We broke the trend line as well. We had swept Asia lows in a bullish market. The confirmations are there. I guess the only thing that we could wait for is to be in session. You know what I'm saying? because we did have Frankfurt, but London does have the volume that is going to push price for these major moves. Still think, it's not bad or anything. It's just wasn't a lot to go there. Gold is dropping. Why are you taking pictures in the land you don't own? Getting trashed on chat. Gold is flipping on the daily. What? Go to gold daily. Wow, yeah, look at that. Look at that wick. Kind of crazy. Things are just coming down. You can see here we have the Asia lows sitting here. So I want to see those swept first before taking sells because, the best way to say it is you don't want to enter the market the same way you kind of exit the market, etc. Which, I mean, like, basically what I'm saying is that, like, if we're bullish like this and there's the Asia low sitting there, we usually would wait for like a sweep to go long. So, even though our higher time frames may be flipping and saying to go bearish, you don't want to sell right into like Asia lows, is basically what I'm trying to say. It sets you up for failure. Why are you taking pictures in the land you don't own? Set and forget. Think gold will then bounce back up. Check out GJ real quick, chat. I feel like I didn't really check out GJ as much. Like I said, maybe slow. We have news. But based on the structure off the bat, I could see that we just swept these lows, which is always good. Whenever I see low swept or some sort of structure broken, shows me there's volume and that price actually does want to head somewhere or gain some sort of liquidity to move. So you can see here, we got a big move up. We've been kind of in this channel, which has been broken now. If you look here, but if you look closer, I'll start coming in and sweeping that low. There's the second low here as well, which could just sweep to come up a bit. So let's go to the 4-hour. Yo, what's up, Teresa? Good to see you. Sorry, I didn't see that. I saw your name. Everyone in the chat, everyone spam where you're from. I'm curious. I always love hearing where everyone's from. How many y'all are here? 51 of y'all, so I want to hear where y'all are from. ATL, Hawaii, Poland. Brent to Chris. What does that mean? Why are you taking pictures in that land? You don't own. On this pullback chat, retest. Dope. Twins. Super cool seeing where all of you guys are from in the chat. I love to see it. From Hawaii to Poland, from LA to Kenya to Bahamas to New Zealand to San Francisco to Botswana to Mappin Gale or Mappin. So dope. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys. Wherever you're from in the world, as long as you're here showing love and part of the community. That's all that matters. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are forever in my corner. You know what I'm saying? Coming from small over, hell yeah. Boston, hell yeah. I was looking for gold buys yesterday. That motherfucker went with, yeah. Worldwide Luca, yes sir. Gotta show up for the code. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You're the goat. Thank you for having NLT in your name. That's family. If y'all have NLT in your name, you guys are real ones. Appreciate y'all. When I make 100 million, won't forget about y'all. $52 people and only 27 likes, chat. Where y'all at? Tax getting volume now? Oh. Changing that we're just sweeping like majors. Crazy. Chat, what other pairs and stuff you guys want me to go over? Actually, I'm not going over any more charts until we give me the 33. Actually, I want to say 41. There's 57 of you guys here. 41's in the chat. Everyone hit that like button. Appreciate y'all. And that subscribe button. Conversation ain't nothing new to me. Like it was actually this morning, bro. Yeah, it was a morning trade. Yeah, it was just because there's nothing all night. So just some that's why I love that TradeView has alerts. You know. It's like almost 60 of y'all here, guys. Make sure you guys, if you guys are new here, to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. You guys are the best. Wouldn't be here without y'all. If you guys are new here, I go live, call out trades, and all that good stuff. And I also crack some jokes sometimes if I'm in the mood. Don't get offended if I do. Who's that? Oh, bro, he would actually. Oh my god, if you said that to him, he'd die. He'd get blocked. Anything on Nas? I just don't trade them during. I just like. It's one of those rules, bro. You just gotta be disciplined enough to tell yourself, like, bro, like I'm not gonna trade pairs that aren't in session. That's just not really my thing, honestly. Because like, my thing is this, chat. Like, how dumb do I sound? Taking a trade, losing it, and going, Oh fuck, I took that loss because it wasn't in session. You know what I'm saying? It's just the dumbest. Just, avoid all that bullshit. No, no. I meant like no, look. Um, no, I mean like for real. I mean, honest. I mean, I didn't mean that for you, but for me in general. Yeah. Hell yeah. I'm gonna spread them even worse. How did you meet Mamba? I met Mamba originally through my podcast. I mean, I was a fan of him. I DM'd with him a little bit when I started doing social media. I tried to get on my podcast, and at first he wasn't really down, but then I stayed persistent. I stayed committed and consistent with my episodes, and got bigger guests on, and ended up getting him on. And then if any of you guys have gotten to meet Mamba in person, he's super kind of quiet and shy. And when I first met him, I didn't really know if he liked me or not. But as we did the podcast, I think he realized, we're the same age. I'm just a chill freaking trader as well, and we kind of bonded and stuff. And then basically that night hit me up, hey, let's get some dinner. Boom, got dinner with them. The next day, hey, you still in LA? Boom, let's freaking play some basketball. And then saw I was chill, you know, made me show him some stuff for trading, make sure I was legit. And then he kind of brought me onto the Clarity team to help Clarity and the prop firm grow. And then around that times when he had that stuff going, when he like left, him and his wife had broken up or whatever and was going through some stuff. I feel like he just needed some friends. So that's when he kind of rekindled his relationship with Cowboy, as well as hit me up. And I just kept flying down and staying with them and having fun. And then from there, I was looking for a new place in San Francisco to move to. And he was looking for a new place in LA to move to. And he was like, bro, just move down to LA. Let's all just go crazy. And the rest is history. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's tried to I mean, bro, there's even people who like, even when I introduced like Dr. Dollar or Emin, I flew that, when they flew out and stayed with me and introduced him to Mamba. He's just quiet at first and then he just opens up over time. He's a really cool guy though. Yeah, like he's been working a lot. Yeah, he's big for sure. The lot size he uses is diabolical. It's kind of crazy, right? To even fathom any of that, if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, I am taller than Mamba. Mama's probably, I think he's like, I'd give him like 6'1" or 6 foot, and I'm like 6'3". Oh, there's no way. No. Nah, you can look up a picture of him standing next to me. Are you feeling like this? You tired? Oh. I honestly have to just set and forget that shit. Go look at like Golden GJ for a bit. Say Drake. Hey chat, what'd you guys think about the Kendrick and Drake thing? Or how'd you guys think about the Kendrick Super Bowl or halftime show? Low key. Know what to say. That's crazy. Yeah, I know. It was like to get sued or whatever. Yeah, bro. Mama's from LA. Nay. He's not from Philly. That's why his name's Mamba. Lakers. Kobe. Oh, nice. Yeah, that was a fun meet and greet. Did we take a picture? Me and you? So crazy. Boom! Come on, France 100. Stop playing with the kid. No way. That's so cool. Hell yeah, bro. It's cool to be friends years later. You know, you never know. Come on, chat. Who's in this? Kendrick get info. You never come back from this. You talking about Drake? That shit was, dude. It felt bad. I always like 50 Cent and Kendrick. Never like Drake or Diddy. Yo, chill. Why do you say that? I know that was an L. I was like, wait. I think people only saying it was mid because it was Kendrick and everyone had expectations for him. I thought it was good. I think for a Super Bowl halftime, you know, I don't know, different demographic. Yeah, like I'm used to like, I don't know, like if it's like a halftime show, I want that shit to be like Michael Jackson or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, or when Janet's titty came out is crazy. I don't know what year was it. Oh, it was with Timberlake. That was 26. That was 2018. Then was that Rudy? Is that Rudy?
Yeah.
Sub G? Oh yeah. How was your weekend, bro?
Dude.
Hell yeah. All I know is Kelsey let me down. Only missed my parlay. Well, that's what I had, guys. Is I don't know. Like I said, I kind of fed into the bullshit about being like, oh, the Chiefs are. My whole thing was I just thought it was kind of like I just had this foresight of thinking like, oh, bro, the Chiefs are gonna do it. They're gonna 3P. Mahomes will get his story. Travis Kelsey and freaking Taylor Swift. It's just I don't know. I was like, this is just like I said. If you guys have looked at anything nowadays, it's all just it seems like it seems like a movie nowadays. I don't know. Obviously, I fed into the bullshit a little bit too much, but why I brought that up is you brought up the Kelsey thing. Is his anytime touchdown was plus 250. So if I bet 1,000, I'd make 2,500. So I bet 2,500, and I think it was to make, I forget how much, 6,000, 7,000, whatever. And it was easy. But with that being said, TP smashed, gang. Fuck. Who's saying this shit? Boom. France 100. I have it on Discord. And take about there, but you can still see, guys. Up 1,000 still. Oh, now it's only 800. TP's in the chat. W's in the chat. You need that Kelsey TD. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. All I know is I need Jared to right now to go like a 1-3 so I can freaking make back up what I lost on the Chiefs. Yeah, I'm not serious. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. What kind of question is that? Someone in the chat just said, would you attend the Diddy party? What kind of question is that? Wait, what'd you say? Dude, I have dude, that's what I'm saying. I got the sus chat. I ain't mad, y'all are funny, but some of y'all need help for sure. Y'all are funny, chat. I've been to New York only once. Wait. No, yeah, I think once. I loved it though, can't lie. I loved it. I've been to a lot of cool places though. I'm trying to think, which one's my favorite? Everyone in the chat, where's your guys' favorite place you guys have ever been? It doesn't have to be where you're from. It could literally be a little town you visited when you were freaking 5 years old. I don't care. I'm just curious. Like one of my friends just went traveling around the world, and she went to a bunch of different places. I knew her from college, and I just saw she started like a little, travel Instagram, whatever. And surprisingly enough, she said her favorite place was South Korea. I was like, what? South Korea? You know what I'm saying? It's just places that you'd never guess. So I'm curious what you guys think in the chat. Someone said Walmart. Go to hell. Jesus. Y'all are funny. Puerto Rico, crazy. Walmart's crazy. Yeah, he loved it. Really? Damn. In the chat, we said, you should go to Tokyo. Have you been? Or are you just saying I should go? I do want to go. I think Croatia, you'd like it. I loved Croatia. Croatia, I was thinking about saying Croatia was my number one. It's either there or Italy. I love Italy. Vietnam, I heard is really cool. Rickster FX, when did you go and would you recommend it? My favorite place was Punta Cana. Where is that? Punta Cana. That's familiar. Oh, hell yeah. DR. Fire. Matt, you been to Bali? What? Matt, when'd you go to Bali? Costco, hell yeah. Maldives and Seychelles? Jacko, freaking your Maldives videos have been sick. Thanks for sending me those ones last week, whatever. And I've wanted to go to Seychelles. I actually just figured out what the Seychelles were from ChatGPT, and I started looking them up, and they're insane. Isn't that crazy? ChatGPT found Mamba means crocodile. Oh, you live in Kenya? Thank you so much for watching from Kenya, Stuart. Thank you. Thank you. Come to Cape Town, Luca. I would love to. I've heard really good things. Gold soda buying. I'm just in these. Oh, I didn't hear the question. I thought you said where you'd want to go. Oh yeah, no, I want to go to Bali, bro. I haven't been to Bali, but I want to go too. Yeah, no, I was just saying if there's any places you guys have gone to that like maybe be a place that I did like would have no idea about that you guys really like. I love learning about that shit. Like I said, my friend said she went to South Korea and loved it. And that's a place I would probably not think to go to, you know? I'm not gonna lie, guys. I usually don't even trade UK 100. You're saying we're getting a good pump right here, but we had a good Asia low sweep, broke structured, tap back into discount, and now we're actually finally getting the push. But you know, I usually trade JAR 30. It moves usually just like JAR 30, and a lot of the time they end up going the same direction during the session. But clean little trade for sure. Up. I spoke way too early. Yeah. I just googled it. It says Zulu. And Pedro is Belize pretty nice. Oh yeah. We got 2 minutes until session, guys. Would you visit North Korea? What kind of question is that? Are we like not allowed in? Yeah, what? That was funny. You should check out Vietnam any time of the year, and it's super cheap, especially the town or city. Amazing, bro. Thank you. You have to DM me when I go and give me the suggestions on places to go to. Make sure to go to Uluwatu Temple when in Bali. Say less, Jen. I'm only going if you're there though, and you have to take me to it. I ain't going on no tour guide. I want the Jen experience. Here we go, chat. Fly. Flip, 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 fly. Alright, guys, so we had TP1 hit right here. I still am going to be going for probably a 1 to 3. You see a 1 to 2 R to R is here, and the reason I'm putting it up is it is at this resistance zone over here to the left. So, oh, oh, yo, hey, there we go. 1 to 3 hit. Boom. Stop playing. We are in this chat. Let's go. We're up 3,700. Come on. Stop playing. W's in the chat. What a way to start the week, chat. What? We're up 5,300. Damn. We are flying. What is happening? Let's go. W's, spam them. Let's go. Chat, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. We're up 4,500 now. Come on now, focus on it. We just grew up 5 grand. We're up 4,500. Once you get back to that 5 grand, guys, I definitely want to be taking a little bit partials for sure. Do not want to be greedy on this. You can see here we are sweeping highs over here to the left, so I'm not going to be greedy on this position. Keep spamming those W's, guys. Come on. I just handed you guys a live banger to start the week. Holy shit. Oh my god. Guys, more W's. I'm going to take a video. Oh, you can't see my screen? Oh. Just know we're winning. More W's, more W's. Come on, chat. I'm never doing this stream again if you guys don't put W's in the chat right now. Oh my god. That wick is brutal. Let's go. What a way to start the week. All W's in the chat. JAR 30, just swept the highs we're aiming for. But 1 to 5 hit, guys, up 5 grand on the position. What a way to start the week. Stop missing on the live streams, guys. Click this link and stop missing out. Come join the team for all the live bangers. I'll see you guys there. And this could be you. W's. Let's go. All right, guys, we're pushing back up. All right, we're getting that 4 grand right here, guys. I'm gonna close a little bit. I'm in 5 lots right here. I'm gonna close 2. We're up 4,100. Yeah, just 2. That's fine. Boom, close. Closed out for 1,300. All right, so far $1,300 closed, and then we still have 2,400 running on the position. So risk-free trade, we have $1,380 closed, which is amazing, and then we still have $2,300 running with stops to break even. So I'm down for it. And you guys might ask, Luca, why are you closing? Why don't you just follow your trendline strategy and keep holding? Well, that's why I didn't close full. I usually go for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and because we've already surpassed that 1 to 3 risk to reward, in my mind, why be greedy when this could completely just reverse and all those profits could be gone? So now I've made 1,400, stops at break even, and letting the rest run where I do think it is going to continue. But at least now, if it doesn't, I still made 1,400 on this position, which is, fine with me. Definitely target this New York high over here. For sure, for that perfect almost 1 to 5 risk to reward. God, it sucks being so good at trading. I'm kidding. No, he made some good gains, that's what I'm saying. Guys, we catch bangers. Guys, we're still flying off the freaking page. Give me that 1 to 5 and I'm going to bed. No, I'm kidding. Huh? You see, did chat get messed up? Guys, this was an absolute banger. Like, absolute freaking just. You guys know when you just like. You know what I'm saying? Nice trade, Luca. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. All I ask of you is you hit that subscribe button. You're still flying though, chat. Let's go look. We are now up. Damn, 3,400 still. It's just surreal to me. These type of numbers, don't come overnight, but guess what? They happen. These things happen, bro. Fly on my TP right now. I was chilling, bro, watching. I already did, man. Been subscribed. Hell yeah. Damn, back up 4 grand on the position. If I would have kept the full lots in, we would have been at that 5 grand. Dang. You can see here, guys, we are rejecting these highs where the New York highs are. But nonetheless, this is a textbook setup, guys. We got the Asia low sweep, got not to break a structure for the push, closed partials at Asia highs, and now we have our final target at previous New York highs, which is the ultimate highs for that weekly candle that we've been talking about and how bullish it's been. So, I am going to let it run. I'm not just going to close right now because we're rejecting. That's why I did already close my partials. I'm still going to let the rest run for now. All I gotta say is 3 booms. 3 booms for Frank, Fuck, what are we trading again? UK 100. 3 booms for UK 100. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get them dubs. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, it's just what I do. You know what I'm saying? I might swerve in the corner. Whoa. What y'all think about that? Start tweaking and then letting shit go. God, what a freaking day. What a way to start the week, too. I love my life. So fire though, chat. I'm gonna get out of here in a second though, guys. You guys have any more questions? You guys want to learn anything? Is curious why I took the trade? Anything? It was good. Yeah, we swerved ahead. It's dope. There we go. UK 100 literally just needs to swerve in that corner. Whoa, right to TB5. One more in Honolulu is crazy. What? Oh, come on now. Just hit that right there. Take it out. Take it out. Just bank 2K. Let's go. So close, here it goes. That's what I'm saying, guys. As you can see, we are getting close to the New York highs, guys. We go out to the hourly or the weekly, whatever you want to go to. We've been clearly bullish, and that weekly is now going to go. We made the bottom wick, and we are going to flip and fly for what? This huge move. And boom! Guys, 5 booms for TB5. Boom, 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 boom. I think that was 4. How much is that? Boom, 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 boom. No, that was 5. Guys, 5 booms for TB5, guys. Absolute textbook position. If you look, clearly been bullish on UK 100 and JR 30 going into the session. We also went and saw that price came and clearly liquidated the lows. Saw a minor break of structure, waited for a price to come, waked into discount, and then we got the break of structure up. Take the position, and not only did we get the Asia highs targeted for our first take profit, but we actually have the New York highs from last week getting taken out as well, and now the whole weekly candle breaking highs and continuing up. So beautiful position. Congrats to all who are still in it. I am up $5,200 right now. $5,200 with $1,380 closed. So this is a way bigger day than I thought on this position, but that's why I love trading indices. Is the contract sizes just make, like, I know for a fact if I was trading freaking, what's it called, like GU or EU, I'd be up like, you know, I would have closed like 600 and be up like $3,000. Amazing. But with that being said, guys, we did just take out the New York highs. I am going to take more of my position out being at that $5,000. So stuff 3 lots in. I'm going to close about 2 lots of that right there. That brings my total P&L to now $4,400.17. Actually $17, $4,417.29. And now I have 1 lot running at $1,390, basically $1,400. So that's the position I am going to keep running for a majority of the time, but the rest will is closed. I closed a total of 4 lots out of 5 lots that I did enter into this trade, and it was absolutely beautiful. So congrats to anyone who got in. W freaking trade. You're gonna let this baby run. Now we have 1,700 on it, bro. What a fucking position. I might swerve in that corner. Whoa, whoa. Thank you for that trade, Luca. I'm gonna. Hey, good luck in court. I know. Wait, what? Someone in the chat said, "Thank you for that trade, Luke. I'm out. Gotta be up early for court. .. I ain't no snitch, bro. I didn't say. I didn't say you were snitching. But good luck in court, I guess." Like, what? Bro just took the trade and went to court. What's good with bro? Someone said he def snitching. Someone said he def. Hey, Hey, if you had to say you're not snitching, bro, we know who's pointing fingers. That's all I'm saying. God. Hey, I would have ate it up. Police asked you questions. You told the truth, bitch. I would have made it up. Come on. That's all I gotta say. The bitch ate it up. The police asked you questions. You told the truth. Shit, I would have made it up. Bro already providing. Yeah, bro already providing information we ain't asked for. So when they ask you no, you tell him. He already provided information. We didn't even ask shit. He said he just let us know. He said I got court. We just playing with you, bro. That's just funny. We just playing. It's all good jokes. That shit made my night though. I can't lie. Bro said he's already providing information. That's just hilarious. Alright, you guys can see here on Jer, if I pop back over to here, beautiful exits. I always love how here on MT5 you can obviously see the exit point. But up in this area, both exited, easy money. Rest going with stats break even. W trade. I would have made it up. The police ask you questions. You said the true shit. I would have made it up. Chat, what's the screenshot button again? Chat, did I show you guys this place that we were thinking about getting? Yeah. 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 Unfortunately, it just has to happen. Yeah, it has a tennis court and that pool is insane. Showing. Shit, I would have made it at the police ask you questions. Chat, how do you do the screenshot thing on Mac? I know it's like it's
Shift Command 4.
shift. I don't know if it worked. Oh yeah. Perfect. That pool's big as fuck. That's what I'm saying. With the tennis court as well. I know. All I know is if you guys see me and Cowboy in a fucking 8-bedroom with a pool and a tennis court, just don't ask questions. And if you're white, actually, never mind. It's like those memes. It's like my family won't know I'm profitable. ... But there'll be signs. Like me just posted. I don't know. You guys will see. After pattern, that should be lit. Alright, I gotta get out of here. I closed the majority of my position, guys. 4 out of the 5 lots closed. 1 lot still running. Absolute banger freaking night. Total of, I don't even know. I don't even care anymore, guys. At the end of the day, we already went over the $4,417. Because at the end of the day, guys, I don't look at it as a numbers. I mean, it is kind of a numbers game, but at the end of the day, it's more of like structure and how the charts play out and holding for it and getting out based upon structure. I got out because we took out the Asia highs, and I got out for the rest of it because we took out the New York highs and then still left a little bit running, right? So to me, the numbers don't matter as much. I could have been up, like I said, when it came to like G or EU, this could have been the exact same setup with the same type of structure wise, but it maybe would have only produced not as good of risk to reward because of the pip count or whatever the case may be. So this was just a banger trade that we caught on UK 100, which is an indice, which is why we were able to get paid a lot more than usual. But banger, guys. I'm super glad I held on to it on that minor pullback, right into discount. And then it just shows a little minor pullback in a discount. Boom, go. So for anyone who is curious why we got into the trade, guys, clearly bullish. We've been knowing that going into the night as well as the last couple of weeks. Kind of you can consider this a consolidation, but what we loved going into it was us kind of having this downtrend into what? A consolidation that led to the Asia lows being swept into this level of demand over here to the left. Drag it out right here at the top, right there, tapped into it, and then what happened is we came up, broke that minor structure right here, retraced into discount, and then broke highs for all she wrote. So banger. Wanna watch, man? TB5 is fire. Hey, not only is TB5 fire, but it's just regular to some real traders like us around here at NLT. So if y'all are part of the NLT community, make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you guys are curious how I trade, curious how this happens, got the there's a reason why we have a YouTube, um, and why I come here and try to provide as much as I can. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for coming through, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Can we just chill for a little bit? Nothing else to do. I'm just over trading. I'm done. Really couldn't. They're the same thing. What do you mean? You have to send me it because this looks just like the one. I have my broker open and it matches up with my broker. The UK one. If you look at my screen, look at the top left. It says FTSE, but then look at the top left of the actual screen. It says UK 100. So it's like the same type of thing. It's yeah, no, like it's the same thing. The tickers is different. Yeah, I think potentially because you're looking at them on different brokers or at least ask you questions. You could have. I would have made it up. Howdy. Look at that exit also. Um, for me, I did 5 lots total. I over risked a little bit. I'm being completely honest, but worked out in my favor. I actually kind of was aware of the risk. It's just because um when I first got into the trade, I had a way bigger stop loss, and once I was in, I realized I needed a bigger one for my head. So that's why I kept holding. So in theory, I was risking more than I wanted to if I would have lost it. But luckily it turned around. I'm being honest. Yes, sir, Teresa. Good to see you. Yes, can't wait. Let's get you on it. Get you catching these bangers with us. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the best. Peace out, YouTube chat. Y'all the best.